It's Diwali season. What are the great deals in the car and bike bazaar? Get your car sounding great with a new music system. Upgrade to luxury without the big bucks, pre-owned premium cars. And get online and get a great deal on a super bike. Hi folks and welcome to CNB Bazaar Buzz. I'm Siddharth Vinayak Partnkar. First off, from all of us on the CNB team, a very happy Diwali to you. We hope it's a prosperous one and a safe one as well. Speaking of the festivities that are on hand, it's also very apt to step into showrooms like this one. They're all decked up to attract your attention, and why not? So many of you choose this time of the year to bring home a new family member, a car or a bike. So what are the big offers that are trying to get all of that attention from you? And of course, a buying decision. We've got the lowdown.
The festive season accounts for the single period of the year with maximum vehicle sales. So it's no surprise every automaker looks forward to it. But in a bid to boost those sales numbers, there are always plenty of incentives and offers to go around. And it's no different this year. So here's a look at the best deals going. Maruti Suzuki is offering a benefit of 61,500 rupees on its Alto 800. That includes a 20,000 rupees exchange bonus, cash benefits of up to 30,000 rupees and exchange benefits of the same value on the Stingray and Wagoner. The Ertiga gets a 20,000 rupees cash benefit and 30,000 exchange bonus. While on the ever popular Swift and Swift Desire, the incentive is a 7,500 rupee discount and exchange benefits of 25,000 rupees. Hyundai is offering cash discounts on its Eon along with a 2-gram gold coin. There are no offers on the best-selling Grand i10's petrol version, but the diesel gets an 8,000 rupees cash benefit and a 10,000 exchange bonus. The last generation i20 is still available in limited stock and has cash discounts and free insurance for the first year. The Verna gets cash benefits ranging from 25 to 27,000 rupees and a 30,000 rupees exchange bonus. The pre-facelift variant of the Skoda Rapid gets benefits of 1 lakh on the diesel with its campaign of Drive Home a Skoda Rapid Diesel at the price of petrol. No offers on the Octavia or recently facelifted Yeti though. Nissan has a slew of offers. The Micra gets a 40,000 cash benefit including an exchange bonus. The Terrano is celebrating its 1-year anniversary with a 30,000 rupees cash benefit plus a 20,000 exchange bonus. And there's free first-year insurance on the Evalia. The Datsun Go offers total savings of 38,000 rupees. Partner Renault has dropped the price tag of its Pulse from 6,16,000 to 5,69,000 rupees ex-Delhi. While the Duster 85 PS diesel variant has price cuts of 50,000 rupees. The Adventure Edition now costs 11 lakh rupees, down by 92,000 rupees. Volkswagen Foxfest is also back with exciting offers like free insurance on the new Polo and benefits of up to 1 lakh rupees on its Vento and Jetta. Hero MotoCorp has launched its Splendor Pro Classic Series at 48,650 rupees and a new facelift Passion Pro at 51,550 rupees. Honda Motorcycle and Scooters has attractive EMI options across its portfolio and free first-year insurance on its Dream Series, that is the Neo and Yuga. Mahindra Two-Wheelers is offering a cash benefit of 5,000 rupees on its Centuro this festive season.
So go grab yourself that great deal this Diwali. Now let's talk about what happens after you buy that car, because for many of you, the car may not include a nice music system like this one. And even if it does, you might want to upgrade that. So what is the best kind of audio system for you to go get a hold of? After all, Diwali is all about light and sound, so why not add a little bit of sound to your new ride?
We all want good sound effects, whether we are in a theatre, at home or in a car. Car audio systems have seen a massive overhaul over the years, and today enthusiasts are ready to add that extra bit for a superior listening experience.
There are multiple brands nowadays. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। पहले तो होता था खाली एक सोनी है और एक पाइनियर होता था, तो लोग उसी को प्रेफर करते थे, किसी में चॉइस होती थी। पर नाउ डेज मल्टीनेशनल ब्रांड इतने आ चुके हैं मार्केट के अंदर कि मतलब अंत ही नहीं है इनका। और अब आपके अगर चॉइसेस रख दी जाए तो बहुत वैरायटी है।
Brands apart, the list of accessories is long. Woofers, bass tubes, amplifiers and tutors. Yes, these little yet powerful speakers which increase the treble for your sound can cost you about 12,000 rupees. But a thumping bass is still the popular request at most such stores.
बेस मॉडिफिकेशन में बेसिकली सिस्टम के अलावा आपके एम्पलीफायर्स आते हैं। एम्पलीफायर जो होते हैं वो एक्चुअली पावर बूस्ट करते हैं वूफर्स के लिए, क्योंकि डायरेक्टली वूफर्स कनेक्ट नहीं हो सकते सिस्टम के साथ में, तो उसके लिए हमें एम्पलीफायर की ज़रूरत होती है। तो एम्प लगाने के बाद ऑप्शंस होता है हमारे पास, या तो बेस ट्यूब्स का ऑप्शन होता है या हमारे पास वूफर्स का होता है, डिपेंड ऑन द कार। बेस ट्यूब इज़ जस्ट लाइक ए राउंड ट्यूब होता है, सिलेंडर शेप में होता है, उसके अंदर वूफर ही इनबिल्ड होता है उसके अंदर बेसिकली। उससे थोड़ा साउंड का इफेक्ट जो है थोड़ा इफेक्टिव होता है, थोड़ा ज़्यादा आता है उसके अकॉर्डिंगली।
But a bass tube will eat up valuable boot space, which might not be ideal for a hatchback owner. Components which are similar to a speaker but a tad heavier provide you with enhanced bass effect. Importantly, none of these fittings are time consuming, nor do they interfere with the car's wiring system. Connectors for cars are now easily available in the market. We prefer to use these connectors so that we are not required to do any wiring or cutting in the car system, and so no problem is faced. A hassle-free job which increases the way you hear your music while driving raises the all-important question: how much does it cost? Our assessment tells us that you could have a fairly good combination for anywhere between 12 to 13,000 rupees. But do remember, never crank up that volume to shun what's happening around you.
The best way to find the best premium, and more importantly the best policy for your car, is to compare well. You could do a comparison offline also, but there are facilities to compare online. Our site does exactly that. You can just go and in less than a minute you can compare more than 8 to 10 offers on different insurance plans, in terms of the premiums that they offer, in terms of the features that they offer. Of course, look at price as one of the most important factors while you're kind of buying a car insurance policy, but carefully look at what other benefits are available in the car and what benefits would be useful to you. So for example, companies nowadays offer zero depreciation cover, companies offer 24/7 roadside assistance. Each of them of course adds a certain amount of cost, but you may find some of the benefits useful in your case. When you have a final premium, you could and if you have a similar premium with two insurers and you are confused between them, you can try to negotiate as a final resort. However, the benefit from that won't be too much. The most benefit would come if you kind of do the comparison well in the first place.
Coming up after a short break on CNB Bazaar Buzz, pre-owned luxury cars, we've got the complete guide for you. Superbike classifieds, they're going online and they're clicking onto Facebook.